guys, I'm the greatest. Okay, I know that's not true, but still, I am the greatest. Okay, fine, I'm gonna put this pizza hat. That's better, right? Yay! So today, I'm gonna show you 2 websites where you can you can play your piano. I mean, it's like a keyboard and you need to just press the key buttons on your keyboard and voila, it plays it for you. So all you need to do is go to these websites. I'm going to link them in the description below too. So our first website is Virtual Piano. Of course, it's going to be linked in the description below. You can always check it. So this is Record. Now Record is where you can record your piano stuff for like 30 seconds for free users. Then this is Key Assist. Now it shows you, if you click on this keyboard keys, it shows you which key to press. And if you click on note labels, it shows you the notes and its labels. It's a sort of straightforward. And then highlight keys. Now when you press that key, now let's say I'm gonna press this. Show you how that highlight keys. Now see, it's highlighted. So that's how that works. And if you want to write your own notes, like as soon if you just start pressing, then it's gonna come here. Like it's gonna see which keys you're pressing, and then you can also edit it. You can just write A B B D D D D D, and you can write your own stuff. Like that. Again, this is like the autoplay feature. It plays whatever you wrote, and then this is the home option. Now you can also search for what you want, like if you want any notes. So I'm going to show you that in the later part of the video. Now this is metronome. Metro and gnome. I don't know what that means, but still, it's like the tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Now this is some. Now this is the sustain option, which is like sustaining it. Here you can change your instrument. Now let's say I'm gonna go with a violin to my school. So you can choose a violin and get this, and then say I'm playing the violin, and then you can put the keyboard things, and then they're gonna get so confused. Option and then you can also search for the notes you want. Like let's say I want Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. It's gonna give you the notes, but since mine is like loading violin for a long time, that's why like that. Don't worry about that. It's gonna show you the notes and then you can play it. Our next website is Virtual Piano, online piano keyboard. So this is called actually online StudyNest, whatever that's spelled like. I'm sorry, I don't know how to spell it. So there are a few options in these, like many options actually. So the real keys option is to show you which key you need to press to get that. Now and then sustain. It's like sustains that, and then if you click again on the real keys, then you're gonna get this. See, I'm very good at piano and I know that. You didn't need to give that for that. And then I think I only like real keys for some reason. Yep. Now this is letter notes. Now it shows you like C, D, E, F, G, A, B, so on. Now this is like metronome. It's that beep beep. And this is full screen option with which you can full screen. And yeah, pretty much that's it. And this is like the zoom out option, which is something I hate. You can't even see a thing. You'll have to zoom in like this and be like, so you have to zoom in for that. But you instead of that, you can just click on the zoom in option and it's clear. So it actually gives you a wider view, but it doesn't have the keys for it. But if you want the keys for all of like from here to here, then you can click on max keys. But if you're okay from here to here, then you can choose real keys. And I really like real keys. So yeah, that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed. If you give a big thumbs up, don't forget to share and subscribe and follow my daily updates to get many more cool websites like this. And until the next video, bye.